I'm really very happy to let you know that I've been running NumberNagar franchise from the past 3 years. It has been an amazing journey so far. Got to interact with so many kids and worked with them and seen the difference that it has made to their learning. NumberNagar looks very beautiful. It's aesthetically appealing and it's very attractive. And I find the place very interesting to explore and learn, and that's the primary reason as to why I took up NumberNagar franchise. The space caters to the curiosity part of it. The place itself is so aesthetically appealing and interesting for children that it allows them to move around and explore the subjects that they are learning through the components that we have. When it comes to clarity, we sit with the children and work one-on-one based on their current skill levels, and we help them understand the concepts through the activities that they do. Connectivity, what I can say is a lot of discussions that we do with them in terms of how they would look at what they are learning today in terms of their daily lives. So that enhances their communication skills also, and post which we actually work with them with all their textbook content where they enhance their ability to perform well in school in terms of their exams. So 5C seems to work very well for the children to finally acquire what they really need for the to really do well in school. Parents come with various questions like, how soon can I have kid do very well in the exams? The primary expectation is that they really do get great grades as soon as they walk into our center, but that's not something that we can really do, you see. It takes some time for the child to understand, and for us to understand the child in the first place as to how they learn and what works well with them. And in time we have made a difference for that child. They've done really well academically also, but through their own way of learning and utilizing the components that we have here at the center. To begin with, the very first year, I did not take up facilitation. We had hired teachers to teach mathematics at our center. I continued to observe them, and over a period of time, I thought I will give it a shot to teach. And then I discovered that I really enjoyed working with children. I've come across kids who are brilliant at academics, and some of them really finding it very hard to study. I've been teaching English for the past 2 years, and to run this franchise I've had amazing support from NumberNagar. Starting with providing facilitators or helping me hire the facilitators and training them extensively, hand-holding them through and through as long as until the faculty became very comfortable and very confident to teach by themselves. This is something that I really adore about NumberNagar, and anytime I haven't had any difficulty, I could always go back to them and ask for support and help, and it has never been denied, or what can I say, they've always been there, and that's what has made this center very successful.